Hey guys, what is up? It is Ashley. So today we are going to be unboxing 2 new Funko Pops. So let's get in the video. So the first pop that we got was Jasmine. And this is number 354. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, it came with a stand. Oh, the stand. Well, oh my goodness. Look at this hair. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. So back, front. I love her little shoes. So pretty. I don't know how to do this. Oh my god. And that's what she looks like on her stand. There we go. If I can get it to stand up right. And the second pop that we got was Sabrina. This is number 19. And this is a 2019 Summer Convention Limited Edition exclusive pop. And that was a mouthful. Wow. So this one also has a stand with it. I'm gonna get the stupid cauldron out. There we go. So here's the cauldron. It's got the little fire on the bottom and the green ooze or whatever you want to call it on the top. And this is Sabrina. She's wearing the white top with the red pants and the little belt that has an S on it for Sabrina. And she's got the white shoes. And then this is her hair. And she's wearing a cute little headband in her hair. But I like what this one is. I'll show you. So compared to this one actually has a smile on her face. And this one, these normal ones don't have the smile, so I thought that was really unique about that one. Okay, so between these two, Jasmine and Sabrina, my favorite one is Sabrina, because it's more detailed and it's got the cauldron with it. And I absolutely love Sabrina, so guys, now it's your turn to pick. Sabrina or Jasmine? Sabrina or Jasmine? Let me know in the comments which one you like better. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Stay flawless.